everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Regina Marie, and I'm so glad you're going to be joining me today. For those of you that have been with me for a little while, you might have noticed something different. That's right, we're rebranding. I'm excited to introduce to you the Balanced Bite with Regina Marie. I have decided to take this next step in my VSG journey, not just focusing on my VSG experience, but also to expand to include a broader range of healthy recipes. I love to cook and I love to meal prep, and I want to share those with you. Now don't worry, if you're coming here for VSG content or you want to see how my journey is coming along, I'm still going to be doing my weigh-ins. So like I said, my new content is going to include healthy recipes, meal prep ideas, what I eat in a day. It's really going to be focused on food mostly. So once a month, I'm going to be coming here and doing my weigh-ins, and I want to share with you guys my achievements as well as my struggles, and give you a realistic view of what it's like to lose weight having the surgery, to see if this is something that's right for you as well. So what can you expect moving forward? Variety. We're going to be exploring more cuisines, trying out new ingredients, all while keeping it healthy and nutritious. If there's anything specific you'd like that you're craving or you're missing, let me know, and I will take that recipe and make it VSG friendly as well as just healthy in general. Whether it be sushi, Thai food, Indonesian food, Italian food, Southern cooking, you name it. Let me know in the comments what you like to eat and I will make that for you. Excited to share this new journey with you guys. I've been wanting to do this for so long. I finally just decided this is really what makes me happy. So I hope you will follow me along. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It really does help my channel. And hit the bell icon so you can be abreast of any new content that comes out. So I look forward to seeing you guys with my first recipe, which is going to be some teriyaki chicken with some healthy coconut rice. I'm super excited for that. Look forward to seeing you guys next week. This week I'm going to have a weigh-in video to start my monthly weigh-ins. Just kind of give you a lowdown about how things are going and what's new with me. Okay guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.